Ngedwa sithando sami, ngibheka indlela ozobuya ngayo. Inhliziyo yami sabambe wena, ngisalindile, ngisalindile.
Izwi lakho emoyeni lingibiza kude nezintaba, noma indlela inde kangaka,
ngiyabuya kuwe sithandwa sami. Sunset reminds me of your eyes. Every shadow whispers your name. Kiphethe uthando lwethu ngezandla zami, like this basket full of hope and flame.
Across the valleys I still hear your song. Your love is guiding me back home. No mountain high can keep me far. My heart already knows where to go.
Ibali zinsuku, ibala nobusuku, till your arms hold me once again.
Keep the light inside your heart for me. I am closer than the falling rain.
I'm waiting for you to come. Ngikulindele uthando lwami, through the mountains, through the night. Come and bring your heart to me. I'm waiting for you to come. Ngisalindile lapha njalo, when you find me in the golden light, we will never part again.
The river flows, but I remain standing where we made our vow.
Every breeze carries your promise. I still believe in us somehow.
Hold on to every dream we made. Don't let the fire fade away. I'm walking through the darkest road to reach your love before the day. My soul is tired
Without you near,
Kisendleleni sithandwa sami.
soon my love,
Oh,
I will appear.
no more tears, no more lonely nights.
Love will heal what time has torn. In your arms I live again. In your love I'll be reborn.
I'm waiting for you to come.
Ngikulindele njalo njalo, past the clouds and past the pain. Come and hold me in your glory.
You to come.
It's all coming home to you. Waiting, loving, forever true.